The core of the Facebook experience for most people is sharing and engaging with friends and family, which means catching your customers' attention can be tricky. Facebook users want content that's relevant, engaging, and worth sharing with their friends. Posting a link to your new blog post, a custom landing page, or even just an interesting article is a great way to start. Write a short description to relate the link to your customers' interests, pain points, or business goals. Make sure to select the most compelling preview thumbnail, or upload your own image. When writing any type of post, aim for 40 to 50 characters. Research shows that most users are on mobile and engagement declines dramatically with longer posts. Authenticity is key though, so if you have a nuanced or important message, you do have up to 480 characters before Facebook cuts off the post with a read more link. Every Facebook post you write should end with a call to action. To do this, consider what action you want your audience to take, whether it be answering a question you've asked or visiting a specific website. Calls to action spur engagement, and Facebook's algorithm prioritizes posts that receive high engagement. Don't try to push your audience into clicking, liking, sharing, reacting, or voting on your posts. Facebook's algorithm demotes pages that post sensational or misleading information. You should also avoid text-only updates. High-quality visuals increase engagement significantly. Test a few styles of images, graphics, illustrations, photographs, to narrow down what resonates best. B2C social marketers can use Facebook's online shop and posts. It helps grow e-commerce business by letting you tag products. When someone clicks the product tag, they can purchase it through the online shop. You can tag up to 30 products per post. When composing a post, after adding the photo, click the Tag Product icon. Then select your product by typing in its name. If you'd like your products to be linked to a specific area of the image, you'll need to tag the products after your post has been shared. Open the existing post and hover over the image. Then click the Tag Products icon and then the product in your photo. Now type in its name and voila! Video outperforms still images for reach and engagement. A hotel chain like Athene Suites might run quick, evocative 10-second ads to inspire people to book their next vacation, or post a longer 30-second montage of their visitor experience. Businesses can also broadcast special events live. Live video is a great option because it encourages real-time interaction and is also prioritized by Facebook's algorithm. When you upload a video, use a catchy descriptive title and video description. Square and vertical aspect videos outperform landscape for engagement, views, and completion. Remember that users often watch with the sound off, so include captions and graphic overlays to relay key information. Aim to post to Facebook at least once a day, but test out a range so you can identify when you get diminishing returns of engagement. It's a best practice, however, to avoid posting more than 5 times a day. You don't want people to think you're spamming them. You should also experiment with posting times, watching which times of day result in the most engagement. The Facebook Insights Posts tab shows when your page's followers were online in the last week. This can be helpful for determining your optimal posting schedule. Use newsfeed targeting to avoid displaying your posts to an uninterested audience, thereby increasing your post engagement rate. You can target your audience by interest, age, location, gender, language, relationship status, and level of education. This is useful when you want to reach a demographic that's already highly engaged with your brand. Facebook Insights is an analytics tool that offers important information about your audience and what kind of content they like. How many people did your last post reach? How many people liked, shared, or commented on it? You can also learn about your audience, their gender, location, age, and when they're online. With this information, you can continually measure and improve your post's success.